This is how to install a piano scan strip. We have removed the hammers. Actually, for removing the hammers, you must remove these screws from here. Then you take out the hammers. And these are the key points where the key is resting. And those are kept here. You can see the keys are marked properly, numbered first. As you can see, we have written from marker. You can use a marker or a pencil for writing the number of the keys. So this is the piano scan strip. We are adjusting it. In the student club piano, you get this mounting so that you can measure the distance where to mount the bracket for mounting of this rail, so it becomes easy. Otherwise there's a measurement for all the other pianos. So here's the instruction book. Here is SHEKHAR doing all the installation of piano scan for the Story Club piano Prelude series. We have installed the whole system ourselves. This is a baby grand, and we are in the process of installing the system. We already have Piano Machine 2 player installed in this piano, and along with this we are trying to synchronize the recording strip, which we will very soon install and give you a fresh video. These are the speakers. This is the solenoid for the pedal, sustain pedal. This is the solenoid rail. A lot of wiring inside. As you can see, the Wi-Fi router, the white colored plug, the power supply, the sustain assembly, the reworked sustain assembly. As you see, this is from the pedal. And this is when you use the pedal, it goes up. So you have to adjust it as per your requirement. So very soon we will be showing you after installation. So this is mounting of brackets for the piano scan. These screws are supplied. You have to keep some markers, ruler, the installation guide, the kit. This is from QRS Piano Machine. This is piano scan user guide from QRS. These are sensors for pedals which you have to place before you do the recording. So we have screwed in the mounts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth one is getting installed. So we have to do this taping of aluminium from inside the back side. So we'll remove the strip, and at the connecting point of the two strips here, you can see we'll joint it from behind. Use this aluminium tape as has been instructed. So we have removed the whole keyboard from there, from this place. You can see we have removed the fall board, removed the keyboard, opened the keyboard, removed the keys, opened the hammers, kept it there, removed the keys, kept it there. And now we are trying to install the MIDI strip. So these are the mounts. Now you can see this is the connection point, and from each termination point we are supposed to put this aluminum foil. So we'll be putting it soon. Now we'll start the second stage of integration. Don't get confused, this is supposed to be here like this, and then we'll paint the keys and do all the connections. We'll give you another video once this assembly is complete. Thank you.